My beloved child, please pause for just a moment. Listen closely to my voice, because something truly extraordinary is about to unfold in your life this week. I am not just watching you from a distance. I am walking right beside you, guiding your every single step. I want to draw you closer to my heart, and to help you receive what is coming, I want to share 5 ways to deepen our connection and improve your prayer life this week. First, I ask that you bring me your raw honesty. I know your struggles, and I have seen your sleepless nights and the silent tears you thought no one noticed. Every single tear has been counted. Your pain is not in vain. It is your preparation. So talk to me just as you are. Second, I want you to pray with bold expectation. I am ushering you into a season of immense emotional and financial abundance. My grace is not just about giving you the bare minimum to survive. It is generous, overwhelming, and overflowing. Third, when you speak to me, pray for true restoration. Don't just ask for what you lost to be returned, because I am preparing to restore you to a position far greater, stronger, and more beautiful than where you started. Fourth, remember to praise me in the waiting. Faith is the very currency of heaven. So even when the night feels long and you can't see the finish line, let your prayers be filled with gratitude. Your patience is the key unlocking your blessing. Finally, ask me to prepare your heart. Before I shift your external circumstances, I am doing a deep, beautiful work inside your soul. You are being strengthened to handle the massive blessings I have prepared for you. Breathe in my peace, knowing that I love you endlessly. Type Amen if you receive this word today. Amen.